All right, so example 2. If we read along with example 2, the problem states at a local gas station, Lizzie pays $15.36 for 12 gallons of gas. Assume that the cost of gasoline varies directly with the number of gallons purchased. Find an equation in the form y equals mx to represent this scenario, graph the equation, and find the cost per gallon of gasoline. So it's a little bit out of order. It's kind of hard to find the equation without finding the cost per gallon of gasoline first. So for the cost of gasoline, we take her total cost, $15.36, and we want to divide that by 12. So we'll go ahead and do this the long division way. It's 1. That's decimal there, then 2. All right, so how many times will 12 go into 96? We know it's 10 times for 120. 9, we're looking at 108. So 8, we're looking at 96. 2 times 8 is 16. 6 down, carry your 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. So the cost per gallon of gasoline is $1.28 per gallon. Now remember that this cost per gallon, that's also considered slope. That's also considered rate of change. They're all represented by m in the equation. Y equals mx. So we just substitute that into the equation. Y equals 1.28x. And I'm going to attempt to go ahead and sketch a graph as indicated here. So let me draw my y-axis and my x-axis. And my scale might not be perfect, but hopefully it'll be close. So again, this is the x-axis, y-axis. We should always remember to label that. And we're looking at $1.28 per gallon. So we're given 12 gallons. So let's go ahead and we'll make each one of these 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And go ahead and make these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And technically we don't need any of these quadrants over here. I just put that on there as the typical coordinate plane. You can leave them off if you like. So we know that at 12 gallons, so instead of x and y, I'm going to go ahead and put here gallons and cost. So we know at 12 gallons, the cost is $15.36. So we'll put that approximately right here. Since this is 15, that's pretty close to 15.36. And we know at $1, it's $1.28. We also know that at 0, it's 0. And then we simply draw a line through them. And again, it stops at 0, 0, but it will keep on continuing to go this direction. And that's as simple as that as far as plotting 2 points. If we know it's a linear equation, a linear relationship, it's going to be a line. And so we only need to look at 2 points and then graph the line through those 2 points. And this represents the cost per gallon.